If you don't like cooking alone but still want to share your kitchen adventures, then start a YouTube channel and cook with the world. First things first, define your niche. Are you a grill master, a vegan virtuoso, or the next baking sensation? Knowing your focus helps you find your audience. Next, plan your content. Think recipe tutorials, cooking challenges, or kitchen hacks. And don't forget a content calendar to keep things rolling smoothly. Invest in quality gear. A good camera, a solid mic, and decent lighting can make your videos pop. And pick some easy-to-use editing software. Set up your channel with snazzy art, a catchy description, and organize your content into categories. Now you're ready to show off your on-camera personality. Be yourself and let your passion shine. Record and edit your masterpieces, add compelling titles, descriptions, and tags. Optimize with keywords and eye-catching thumbnails. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking for recipe ideas, and collaborating with other creators. Lastly, use YouTube analytics to tweak and improve your strategy. Happy cooking, YouTube stars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.